What do you say? Hello. Say hello, Jessie. Hello. All right, very good.
Papa.
What is that? Oh, it's a dirt. Okay. I'll put this in the garbage later, okay? So today we will try to identify some picture cards. Animals. All right. And, all right. Which one is a dog?
Dog.
Dog. What does a dog say? Very good. Here you are. Thank you. Very good. Which one is a cat? Cat. What does a cat say?
Meow.
Meow. All right. What is this?
Meow.
Cat.
Cat.
Very good. Next. Oh, challenge 3 cards. Which one is a lion? Which one is a lion? Which one is a lion? Lion. What does a lion say?
What?
Wow. Very good. Okay. I'll say again. Lion. Lion.
Hi.
Very good. Okay. Next. Challenge 4 cards. Tuk. Touch. You have to touch the duck. Where's the duck?
Duck.
Duck.
Quack,
Quack, quack, quack. Very good. Duck. Good job. Here's your lion. Here's your duck. Here's your cat. Okay. Next. Challenge again. Which one is the cow? Where is the cow? Where is the cow? Where? Oh, good job. What does a cow say? Moo. Say cow.
Die.
Cow. Very good. Okay. So we're down to how many cards do we have left?
2.
Oh, 2? No, we have 4. Okay. Where is the monkey? Uh, no, it's right? Right? Monkey. Okay, very good. Where is the pig? Pig. What does the pig say? Very good. Oh, we're down to 2. Where is the rabbit? Rabbit. Here you are. Thank you. Very good. What's this? Bird. Very good. What does a bird say? Tweet, 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 tweet. Very good. Good boy. Good job. So we're really good with our animals nowadays. We try to add many animals recently, and yeah, he can say the name of the animals, and he can already tell the sounds they make, and he can already identify all these animals. So we started these, and I think we're improving and we're progressing. So it's not just touching the animals, but we also, so how do we make sure they learn? So this time I'm gonna introduce some picture cards that we can see in the house. Oh, don't touch, Justin. Don't touch, okay? Don't touch, baby boy. Don't touch. Okay. All right. So we will begin with, for example, we will begin with 3 first. 3 picture cards. Okay. Something that. Okay. Let's just begin. Justin, say watch. Slippers. Gloves. Okay. Where can we find this watch? In the house. Where can you find this watch in the house? Can you find this watch? Where? Where's this watch? Have you find the watch? Oh, watch? Where? In there. Where? In there. Can you come? Can you come? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Where's this watch? Oh, there's the watch. There is the watch. Very good. Nice wristwatch. Good job. Okay. Let's go. Go. Go back. Now. Let's find another one. Stay here. Not yet. We're not finished yet. Okay. How about say door. So we have watch and now we have a door. Where is our door? Where is the door? Where's the door? Door. How about in the house? Where's the door? Door. Where? 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 Door. Very good boy. That's a nice door. Oh, close the door. Very good. Door. Good job.
Door.
Door. Very good.
Door.
There. Very good. Nice. 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 Okay. How about? Let's say clock. Clock. Very good. Where is our clock?
Door.
Oh, very good. There's our clock. Very nice. Okay, one more time. Say clock.
Clock.
Clock. Okay. So we have a clock, we have a watch, and we have the door. Okay, one more time. Say clock, door,
Door.
watch.
What?
Very good job. High touch. All right. Okay, we have to say bye-bye now. Oh, what is this? A window. Window. Very good. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you.